everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is of a page that I made for the love of homemade kits. This is the second week in the month of April, and there are no mishaps in this video, thank goodness. So the photo that I'm using is a photo of my two black kitty cats, which are very difficult to photograph, especially when they're next to each other. Anyone who has black cats or black dogs know how difficult it is to get their features because they are so dark. But I think I happened to get a pretty good photo, and they were even sitting next to each other, and that doesn't happen too often, so I was very glad to get that. I have a fire going in the background of that photo, even though it was taken in the month of April. I know that we've had some really cold springs so far. Even in Texas, it's been kind of on the cold side. And as you can see, I'm using the number 2 in repetition. I really like the blue color. I think it complements that yellow gold very well. And I'm going to use that color to make the cut file, You Make Me Happy. I'm going to use that as my title, and I'm going to try to coordinate the color to go with that. So those are branding strips, and I like the way that they're layered. I just want the bottom one, which has some silhouettes of people, but I just wanted the dark color underneath the the white with the print on it. So those uh, metal things that I just put down are eyelets, and they're stars. And I'm looking for some of the chipboard, thinking that I was gonna use it to make a title, and I just couldn't find anything that really worked. So I wanted to kinda spice this up. I needed something to put underneath everything else. So I did the Shimmers product, Ose Can You See, and I just sprayed it. And I think I really wanted, like, not the harsh spray of it, but kind of the splatters that come from it to show, and I think it did a good job. Now, I didn't put any gesso down, so it has a little bit of a warp to it, but it's not too bad. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna go ahead and place everything down. That doily, I got that at Michael's. I think I got it last year, and so you could see that it had kind of a purple on one side and this beige or peach color on the other, and I think it went well, with all the colors I had here. It was a really easy and fast, page that I put together. In fact, I only sped this up 2 times. Normally, my videos are 4 times the speed, but I did this one 2 times the speed, and it's still under, 10 minutes. So it really didn't take long for me to do. So I am going to put an eyelet in this tag, and, those eyelets are the metal ones are very, they're hard. I am really trying to smash that in there, and it was very difficult to put in, and then it got stuck on my little crocodile, and I'm like, "You know what? This is so not worth it." And I end up putting just 2 of the stars. The 3rd one I didn't even do. I ended up putting some of those little hearts that I got from Freckle Fawn. So, there you saw how I had sprayed it this color and just gluing it down. I need to hold it with my tweezers because it's still a little bit wet. And it's looking good. I do add some sequins. Not a whole lot left, on this. Like I said, it was super, super easy to do. I do try to do this. This is it's a glitter pen, and it's called Winkostella, and it's in clear, but you can't it did really work. I don't know if it was just too wet, but it didn't give that shimmery look. And then I try to do night moves. I do a little sprinkling on it to add a little dark sprinkles to my page. I do that for most of my pages. And that is the end. Thank you for being here and watching this with me today. If you'll give me a thumbs up or leave a comment, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you. All right. Thanks. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.